So here we have our Quinn portable adhesive canister system. Here it's got two handles for easy grip and carry. Here we've got the valve tap and the valve opening, which just this point here is where we connect up our hose, and the adhesive flows out through this hole here. The beauty about this canister system is it's fully portable. We don't need any compressed air as it's already pre-pressurized inside the vessel. And the beauty of having no air compressors is you don't have any messy cords, hoses and things like that. So all you need with our system is a canister. We've got a gun and a hose. So once we've got those hooked up, we're ready to open the canister and start spraying. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and hook up our hose to our canister system and then attach our spraying gun to the hose and then turn it on, ready for spray. So on this end we've got a valve tap. Just going to attach this to the cylinder to ensure that's on tight. Tighten it up with our wrench, like so. Ensure this valve tap is off and the cylinder is off. Okay, so now we've attached our hose to our canister system. We've now got the gun end of our hose, which we're going to attach to our spraying gun. Just wind that in nice and tight and do it up with our wrench, like so. And ensure the spraying nozzle is on correctly in a vertical position, and our front nut is done up tight as well to prevent any leakage. So now we've got our gun and our hose connected to our canister. We're now ready to turn on our valve tap and the hose tap as well, and we're ready to start spraying. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. So if we open the valve up fully, turn this on, and you'll hear the adhesive coming through the hose up to the tip of the gun, and you're ready to start spraying. Now we're going to show you how to prepare a Quinn adhesive canister that's been emptied, ready for recycling or disposal. So we're just going to ensure that the valve opening is in the downward position in case there's any residual adhesive, that it can just go down onto a rag or a surface that it doesn't matter too much. So now we're going to open the valve fully on the empty cylinder to relieve any residual pressure inside the vessel. So now we've relieved the residual pressure inside the empty cylinder, we're now ready to punch a hole in this small relief disc here. So if we get a hammer and a hole punch, place it in the middle of the disc and just give it a sharp tap to relieve that disc. Okay, so now we've punched the hole through the small relief disc on the top of the cylinder. This empty cylinder is now ready for disposal or recycling.